Hi everyone, I'm Amy from Star Splendor, and I'm here with Sarah from Sis Handmade for Weave Along the Chakras. Today we're going to be talking about the Muladhara chakra, which is the root chakra, and the corresponding stone that you're going to be working with, which is the black tourmaline. The root chakra is located at the base of the spine. It's the place where we are most closely rooted into the earth. And the key ideas for the root chakra are safety and security. It's what regulates those feelings in our body and in our psyche. When the root chakra is out of alignment, or if it's blocked, we might feel timid, we may feel insecure, we may feel unable to make decisions. We basically will feel a lot of anxiety because we're not really grounded in the idea of what we're working on. We don't feel supported. When it is overactive, we may feel aggressive and too assertive. When it's balanced, we feel very fully supported and very grounded. So, black tourmaline, which I'll show you right here, is a really wonderful stone. It's a grounding stone, but it's also a protecting and purifying stone. It works to revive and protect the auric field and helps us to feel very vital and energized because we're very in touch with the earth's energy. So the element for both the stone and for the chakra is the element of earth. So now we're going to activate and cleanse our stone and do the meditation to get in touch with the root chakra in the work we're about to do. So you want to begin by having your stone nearby. And you want to find a comfortable seat. So this is called an asana in yoga. But basically what that means is you're going to find a comfortable position to seat yourself in where you can maintain a straight but comfortable spine. I like to sit cross-legged like this with a meditation pillow to support me so that my hips are lifted. But you can also sit in a chair with a straight back and your knees at a 90-degree angle. Whichever way you choose to sit, make sure that either your feet are in full contact with the floor or your seat or your knees are in contact with the floor. It's very important to be grounded to the floor. So, you're going to pick up your crystal and you're going to hold it gently between both your hands. It doesn't really matter at this point which one is on top as long as both your hands are in touch with it. So find a comfortable seat. Allow your spine to straighten. Feel yourself rooting deeply into the ground and also allow your head to heighten. So your spine is not going to be tense, but it will be straight and it'll feel fully lengthened. And now we're going to take 3 deep cleansing breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as we do so, close your eyes or allow your gaze to soften so that you're not focused on any particular thing. So we're going to take a deep breath all the way into the belly through the nose, breathing in and out through the mouth. Breathing in and out through the mouth. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now allow your breaths to just become natural. Check your posture. You want to lift your shoulders a little bit and let them relax back down on your back. So relax the shoulders down into your spine. Allow your belly to soften and relax. Allow your hips to relax. Allow your knees to fall open or to relax downward. Allow your calves and ankles to relax. Just breathing very easily. Feel the connection to the ground. So turn the attention to the crystal that you have in your hands. Make sure both hands are in contact with it. Now allow yourself to send some love to that crystal. Think of the crystal like a friend. You're introducing yourself to it and it's introducing itself to you. Allow your heart to open and expand. And send some of that love down through your arms, your elbows, your wrists, and your hands. Take note of any sensations you may be having, or any emotions that arise as you just breathe. You may feel a warmth or a tingling. You may feel cold, purity. Other feelings are coming up. Just take note of them. And now we'll set the intention for this stone and the work that we're going to do on this project. So to yourself say, I am grounded and protected and deeply rooted in the earth's energy. Feel free to sit and breathe and repeat that intention until you feel that somehow this stone has changed in character for you. Maybe it's enlivened a little. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and return to the room. And that's how you say hello to your stone.